how often do you say, as you're going to sleep, you start rehashing the whole day? How often do you do that? How often, when you're going off to sleep and you're drifting off and you're really tired, do you start rehashing everything that happened during the day? Everything that was bad, everything that didn't go right, everything that didn't work right, you start rehashing that. That is a normal procedure for a lot of people. So don't get me wrong when I say you don't have to do that. So when you go to bed at night, if you will start this simple process, and this is actually from Neville Goddard. I've been studying his teachings for years. I mean, years. And I find a lot of the way he puts it out there, it's hard for people to understand, right? So when you look at it and you're like, okay, how can I put those in words that I can understand? And it's just a matter of maybe rephrasing something, maybe turning something that your subconscious or your mind can grasp hold of. That's great. So I like to, when I go to bed at night, I go to bed and of course I do my gratitude, everything I'm grateful for the day. I don't focus on how my day went. I don't focus on all the bad things that happened in my day. I don't focus on anything that went about in my day that maybe caused it to, go upside down or something, or maybe someone wasn't very nice to me. I don't focus on any of that. So I want you to try this, and I want you to use sincerity for yourself as you're doing this. When you go to sleep at night, let me rephrase that, okay? When you go to sleep tonight, when you go to bed, do your gratitude, or maybe even before you get in bed, do your gratitude, whatever you're thankful for the day. And create a sincerity within yourself. A sincerity of, I am grateful for my family. I'm grateful, for what you did today, for the success you had. Don't focus on what didn't go. So when you do that, you're creating a mood. And when you're creating a mood, you're going to start being in a relaxed state. Being in a relaxed state and moving forward is really critical as you are creating your tomorrow. Granted, we all know tomorrow starts with today, because tomorrow is never actually tomorrow. When you wake up, it's today. So create your tomorrow right now as you're going to sleep. If you're drifting off to sleep, maybe you are wanting a pay raise. Maybe you're going to think about, wow, what would my life look like if I had a pay raise of X number of dollars? How about if I just had a promotion at work and I moved up a rank? Fabulous. Feel that feeling right there. How about you're imagining your business is taking off? Your business is having so much success. You have recruits, you have sales, you have people growing around you in your business. How does that feel? It feels great. It feels happy. Maybe it's your family. How do you feel? You have a happy family. Everybody's great. Everybody's healthy. Even if you don't have the health right now, when you can see someone as being healthy, isn't that what Jesus did? Didn't Jesus, as he was healing people, not see the illness, but only seeing the good health? Try this. It's hard work at first because you have to get your limiting beliefs out of the way and allow this energy within you to flow freely. So how good does it feel as you're drifting off to sleep? Say the words, I feel so good that my family is happy and healthy. I love my family. Or maybe you're looking for a significant other, or maybe your wife is going to have a baby, or whatever it is. Feel happy, feel content in that frame, in that momentum, in all of the above. Feel happy. So by feeling happy, use the right words in your subconscious, in your quiet moment as your self-talk. Use the right words. I always like to have this little mantra, and I use it every day. Granted, you guys, anyone that follows me knows, I use this mantra every single day because I know words are power. Words are the guide. Words are energy. Thoughts and words and energy, they flow together. But the mantra that I use every single day throughout my whole day, now grasp this, write it down. Ready? Isn't it wonderful? Just that mantra right there, isn't it wonderful? Opens the door without you having to say what it is. It could be everything in your life. Isn't it wonderful? Covers everything. And then this is the second part of the mantra I like to add. Everything is always working out for me. So I say, isn't it wonderful? Everything is always working out for me. I use this mantra for my business success. I use it to have a wonderful life, which I do. I have great success and I have a wonderful life. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. I'm having sneezes already. And I'm not sick. But use this mantra. Isn't it wonderful? Everything is always working out for me. My business is a success. My life is fruitful. My life is happy. So you can get the tools you need to grow your business and to prosper. And they're right here. They're always right here in front of you. All you have to do is reach out, send a message saying, yes, I would like to learn how to grow my business. I would like to learn the tips. I would like the tricks. I would like to have help. Do that and see what happens. You're going to get more responses from a lot of people, including myself, to give you the opportunity to get in there and take advantage of what's available. The marketplace is full of people who are helping people. So don't put yourself on the sidelines saying, oh, well, they won't help me or there's nothing out there for me, because there's always something out for me. Isn't it wonderful? Say it just a few times to yourself. Isn't it wonderful? Everything is always working out for me.